Homeowners, what happens if you have 3 contracts that all seem to be saying the same thing, but the price is different? So for example, these 3 contracts, all of them say at some point Owens Corning Shingles. Each of them refer to a lifetime or manufacturer warranty. So at first appearance, they are all basically saying the same thing and providing the same warranty and the same material, but with a deeper inspection, they actually aren't. And so that's what I want to help do, is just review line by line what's going on in these contracts and help you just point out a few things that's going on. So for starters, I want to review manufacturer warranties, and then we'll get into the contracts, because in order to understand the contracts, you have to understand the warranties. So when somebody says a manufacturer warranty, that means one thing. An enhanced warranty means something different. So this helps simplify it. Right here you have the basic level warranty. This is a manufacturer warranty. Somebody could grab a bundle of shingles off the shelf at a hardware store and this warranty would apply. Nothing special about it necessarily. It does cover the material for up to 10 years, and then it gets prorated. Prorated meaning that the value that they're going to give you further on, so on year 20, if the shingle malfunctions, they're going to give you a smaller percentage, and so on. Whereas compared to this one right here, this warranty is non-prorated up to 50 years, at which point it drops down. But that gives you full coverage all the way up. So that is an enhanced warranty. This is just a basic level warranty. On some of these contracts, the phrase limited lifetime will come up. Actually, what it says is lifetime. So it gives you the impression that you're getting a shingle with a warranty that lasts your entire lifetime, or the lifetime of the roof, but which is it? And when you read the fine print, you find that the limited lifetime is referring to as long as owner owns home. So that's interesting. It's very important to read the fine print, and I will be having another video soon where I go into detail about warranties. Prorated is another thing. I already just mentioned that. And lastly, labor versus warranty. So when it comes to this enhanced warranty, if the shingle malfunctions, the manufacturer will pay for the labor to replace the shingle that malfunctioned. But that's different from a workmanship warranty, which you see up here. This workmanship warranty means that if the installer put the shingle on wrong, nailed it low, whatever it might be, that the manufacturer will pay for the workmanship error to get that fixed. So labor warranty, workmanship warranty, it's good to know the difference. So let's go into the first contract. So at the very top, it has the square footage of the roof, and it says that it's 5,200 square feet. But according to Eagle View, which is a satellite measurement of this roof, the square footage is actually 5,500. So that comes out to about a 3 square difference, which is a $1,153 price difference. And so my question to the contractor is, are you going to take care of that last section of my roof, or am I going to have to pay extra? Very important. And can you trust somebody who didn't know how to measure your roof correctly? Like, that's a big mistake. I could understand 1 square, a few linear feet here and there, but that's quite a big difference. Makes you really wonder what's going on there. It also says here that this contractor is providing an Owens Corning black shingle, but the proper color is onyx black, which is kind of not that big of a deal, but if you think about it, the person writing this didn't actually know what type of product they were installing enough to add the actual color. And there are some manufacturers that have 2 different colors of black, so it is important to be specific. The pipe collar flashing, it says here, it just says that it's replacing the pipe collar flashing. It doesn't say what type of flashing. And this is important because for all we know, they could be referring to this plastic vent flashing, which is plastic base, and these will last maybe 7 to 10 years if you're lucky. So imagine you have a 25 or 50-year shingle on your house, and then this breaks down and leaves you with a leak at year 10. That's ridiculous. There's also this type of pipe collar, which has a metal base, stronger rubber. This is going to last the life of your roof. And look at the two. There's a huge difference. And so it's very important that the contract states specifically what type of material is getting installed, but on this one it doesn't. It just says pipe collar. So you could be getting the plastic. It also says that they are installing plastic shingle ridge vent, which again, the ridge vent plays a big part in your warranty from the manufacturer, so it's important to know what you're getting. And they could be referring to either this plastic mesh, which is actually not the best thing out there, because when you put a shingle on there and you nail it, if you nail it too hard, which is easy to do, it squeezes down this mesh so that the air can't actually flow out. It prohibits the air, and then your shingles age quicker because your attic's not venting. Your warranty could be voided because it wasn't installed correctly. So that's a big deal. The other type of plastic vent would be this, which is a whole lot better, and it's much stronger plastic. When you put this on your house, you could stand on it and it still would not stop the air from flowing. So crucial detail. And then at the very last page it says manufacturer warranty, which again, what does that mean? Does that mean a 50-year warranty from the manufacturer, or does it mean just the basic level manufacturer warranty? And I looked this contractor up. They are not certified to provide any of these warranties, which means this is the only one they can actually provide. Whenever a contractor is providing an enhanced warranty, they have to be certified by the manufacturer to do so. And if they're not certified, then they can't actually offer the warranty. So there is a lot that's missing on this contract. It gives the perception of a great warranty, but it's actually not. Moving on to the next one, we have a contract that has two different shingle types listed. So it has Certainteed at the top and Owens Corning at the bottom. And so my question to the contractor is, what are you installing on the house? The next one thing would be the lifetime warranty. So again, here they're using the term lifetime. The actual term is limited lifetime. And so it's misleading. And then on top of that, what type of warranty are they giving? Because they mention Owens Corning, but they're talking about Certainteed. Next we see it talks about installing the shingles with 6 nails. Now, there's only one big manufacturer in the area that requires 6 nails for their shingles. And what it says is that if you want the wind warranty of 130 miles an hour, you have to install 6 nails. But the other manufacturers do not require 6 nails. So Certainteed and Owens Corning do not require 6 nails for their duration shingle or their landmark shingle, which means that this contractor has now confused 3 different manufacturer specs in the same contract. Very confusing and a little bit concerning. In here, this contractor talks about ice and water shield around the valleys and eaves, but it does not mention penetrations like the pipes or walls, which are also very crucial. You want ice and water shield around your pipes, around your box vents, and along your walls. It's very important. Again, this contractor mentions the shingle ridge vent, which could be either of those two. It's not specified. Further on it says 5-inch gutters with 6-inch downspouts, but 6-inch is not a thing. They probably meant maybe 2x3 or 3x4 downspout. Gutter covers seem good, whereas the first contract, it actually doesn't mention what kind of gutter covers. It just says gutter cover. So you could be getting a plastic cheap gutter cover. This one, it actually does mention it, so that's good. Lastly, this contractor is certified to provide an enhanced warranty for certainty, but not Owens Corning. But notice how it's trying to promote a lifetime warranty on all Owens Corning shingles. So a little confusing. They're only able to do that in one manufacturer, not the other. So again, a lot of questions, a lot of confusion with that one. Last contract we have here, it does mention removing all of the shingles, so that's good. All of the products, you'll notice, are Owens Corning, which line up with the enhanced warranty, which is listed here at the bottom, which means this person's getting this warranty with the extra labor warranty, with the extra workmanship warranty, and everything's listed, which is very important because that's what's required in order to give the warranty. If you're not installing all the required products, then you actually don't qualify for the warranty. The pipe collar is specified. Again, this is the ultimate pipe collar, which is this one right here. It's going to last the length of your roof. It only makes sense to get that installed. The gutter is listed off very nicely. It says what size gutter, what size downspout, and what type of gutter cover. And lastly, this last contract actually provides a notice of cancellation, which is key because every contract is required to have a notice of cancellation. So the homeowner that received these two but did not get a notice of cancellation, that's a problem because you as the homeowner have the right to sign the contract and then 5 days later change your mind and cancel it. So that should have been provided with the other ones as well. So as far as this last one goes, it is the most expensive, but it comes with the best warranty and it's written in the contract accurately listed and with the best products. So all of those details are hard to catch. At a quick glance, it all seems the same, but it actually isn't. So it's very important to read the details, understand the manufacturer warranty, and this last one had the highest price, but it also had the best warranty and the best material, which, by the way, before I forget, it did mention this specific type of ridge vent as opposed to leaving it up for chance. So hopefully that's helpful, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a question in the comments. Thanks.